Good morning, it's Fritzi at Delray Buick GMC. Thanks for asking about this big, beautiful blue Sierra SLE. This is a very special truck. As you can see, it's lifted. It's a 4x4. It's got some gnarly tires and nice wheels, side steps. And what's unique is it has the 8-way power seat with lumbar support, so it does have leather for an SLE. The steering wheel will tilt and also telescope in and out. You've got a backup camera, a nice stereo. You got plenty of room too. Look at all the room inside this. You've got the armrest down, you've got the seat down, that side's folded up. You can fold this one up. You've got a hard cover that's lockable, you've got a spray-in bed liner, you got a backup camera. See, the truck is in very nice condition. Look at all that. You got an almost flat floor if you need to carry some extra packages next Christmas or whenever. We have the owner's manuals. It's a beautiful truck. Let me know when you can come in and take a look at it. It's Fritzi at Delray Buick GMC, 954-406-1433. Thank you.